What is going on, family? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. We're going to cover Jasmy coin, of course. We're also going to look at how much money does it take to invest in Jasmy to give yourself a life-changing situation. What does that look like, guys? We're going to talk about it and discuss it, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so that you can stay up to date with the Run My Crypto channel. Now, this is not financial advice, just some education to help you maximize your knowledge and gains in cryptocurrency. So watch all the way through to the end, guys, so that you could get the best out of this content. Let's try to do it under 10 minutes. Let's go. So first things first, we're going to have a look at the charts, guys, and make sure you guys watch to the end because we're going to cover the charts right now. We're going to go through what type of money you need to invest to change your life in Jasmy. And then we're also going to touch on a brand new launch. This is a good one coming from Binance. It'll be launched on Binance. So it's probably going to be pretty good. So we'll talk about that and then pretty much get into basically your situation when it comes to investing in crypto. So let's go. All right, jumping into Jasmy charts. Jasmy looks like it's showing some strong consolidation. This is what I've been talking about over the last couple days, is just watching Jasmy consolidate, and I think that's going to be happening for who knows how long. So we're seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum basically doing some major moves, guys, but this is what we can expect from Jasmy going forward, and this is kind of like what I see, especially if Jasmy in this bull market, guys. We're seeing consolidation. This is huge. This is strong for Jasmy, but we need to make sure that we maintain this 2 cent level. So continuing to, break into that consolidation pattern is going to be very healthy for Jasmy. So what we really, want to see out of, this type of pattern is we want to kind of get an extension, stay within these limits. So we could get, a nice pattern for Jasmy. And see Jasmy like literally play within these ranges, and keep getting tighter and tighter till we could blow out of there. And we'll most likely see Jasmy pull out of this area, probably, I'm thinking hopefully soon, but if not, around Bitcoin halving time would probably be essential for Jasmy to just kind of, stay down in this area and then blow up out of that area. And guys, that'll be extremely healthy for Jasmy to continue doing that. So if we jump on the daily chart, so it looks like, we're continuously seeing a little bit of drawback, but 1, 2, 3, 4 days of red, 2 days of green, 1 day of red. This is kind of healthy for Jasmy, like I said. But if we look at the weekly chart for Jasmy, we're closing green on the week. So this is very, very positive structure for Jasmy to be closing weeks out in green, because this is going to give us that momentum to push up to those levels, the 5 cent level to 8 cent. This is healthy. This is what we need. And hopefully we can see this happen before the Bitcoin halving, guys. And I think that's what's going to occur before we hit a little minor drawback or back test on Jasmy, looking back towards, the 2 cent area. But if we continue in the pattern that we're taking, I don't see Jasmy coming back to the 2 cents, hopefully until the next bear market. So let's stay positive for Jasmy, and let's go ahead and chat about how much Jasmy coin do you need to change your life. So guys, if we talk about how much Jasmy coin do you need to actually change your life, the answer to that is really, you have to ask yourself. You have to evaluate that question for yourself. What is it going to take for you to change your life? Because my lifestyle, your lifestyle, any other person's lifestyle is way different from each other's. We all have different lifestyles, and what type of money does that look like? So you have to ask yourself, is $100,000 going to change your life? Is $1 million? Is $2 million? So that's how you got to determine what it's going to take to change your life. So we're going to go ahead and look at some scenarios. We're going to take a look at scenarios of if you got into Jasmy coin today, what that would look like if we hit some certain levels. So let's hop on this little cool chart, this little cool tool that that I found that we could actually take some scenarios and run it with Jasmy. All right, so we got this cool little tool here. We're going to go ahead and type in Jasmy coin so we can see the current price of Jasmy at the moment. So right now it's sitting at 0.02158. So if we were to get in today, so we could invest. So let's say we invested today $1,000, right? So we invest $1,000 into Jasmy today, and the current price is 0.02158. So let's say we get to that 5-cent level. So right here from $1,000 at a 5-cent level, we're looking at a $2,316.96 on our investment, which is simply $1,316 profit. So we know it's going to go higher than that. So let's talk about if we looked at, Jasmy at 20 cents, $1,000 today, selling Jasmy at 20 cents is $9,267 with an $8,267 profit. Can Jasmy get to 32 cents? So we invested $1,000, 32 cents today. That would give us $14,828 now. So that's kind of what you're looking at investing today in with $1,000. So right now we're in a strong consolidation, which means you could try to accumulate as much as you can. So let's say we could get $5,000 into Jasmy over the course of the next month or so, going crazy, trying to find it everywhere we can. So again, let's try that 5 cent. So with the 5,000, you're looking at a $6,000 profit, 6,584 with 11,584 net. So that means 5,000 today and selling at 5 cents would get you 11 grand. So let's look at 25 cents, which is not pretty bad in my opinion. $5,000 today, selling at 25 cents would net you $57,924 with a $52,000 return on investment. Let's say it hit 34 cents. So we'll look at Jasmy. 34 cents would be $78,776 with a profit of $73,776. Now, if we had that diamond hand magic, made it to $1, your profit with $5,000 today would be $231,696, guys. So this is just to give you an idea. If you bought into Jasmy today, how long it would take to hold to get to a certain amount of money, right? So looking at Jasmy at $1 with $5,000 today, $231,000, not bad from a $5,000 investment. And it shouldn't take more than a year and a half to get there, if we get to $1 in Jasmy. So that's the understanding of getting in Jasmy. Now there's still plenty of opportunity. If you have not got into Jasmy, there is plenty opportunity to make some money. So look at that. So let's say Jasmy only makes it, peak bull run 40 cents. You put $5,000 in, that's $92,000 that you're going to net from investing $5,000 in pretty much a year, So, I mean, come on, do the math. But that's why I always say that, understanding what the market is, where it could go, potentially gives you an understanding of what it looks like to invest today. So guys, looking at those type of, scenarios with investing today, it's always urged to get into projects early. So, let's say we look at these scenarios again one more time with, getting in early into Jasmy and what that would look like, for us at these levels. So we're going to check it out. If we got into Jasmy, I got in at 0.004. So let's look at where other people could see that scenario with Jasmy. All right, guys, let's run this same scenario. So let's do the $1,000. Let's say we put in $1,000 and we bought it in at that 0.004, right? And we looked at 5 cents. What does that look like? So we put in 1,000. We're able to grab Jasmy in the beginning at 0.004. That would net us $12,500 just selling at that 5 cent level. So let's look at if we sold at, Jasmy hitting 25 cents. What does that look like? So we got in $1,000, 0.004, selling at 25 cents. That's $62,500. Now, let's say Jasmy hit that 34 cent level, $85,000 off of $1,000 investment. So you see what I'm saying? So you're talking about a $4,000 difference to get roughly near those levels of exiting at that cost. So let's say we got in $1,000, and Jasmy hit that golden ticket number, 250 grand off of $1,000, getting in at that 0.004 to get in early. So let's go ahead and see if we put in $5,000 at that time. You're talking $1.2 million off of Jasmy. If it hit $1, let's look at that 34 cent, $425,000 off of $5,000 investment at 34 cents. So this is what I'm saying, guys. You gotta get in early into some projects, especially, you know, getting in early, getting in on time, understanding the market, getting in at low cost. That's how you become very successful in cryptocurrency, and that's how you generate life-changing money. Would $1.2 million change your life? Think about it. You could start a lot of business. You know, you could start a business. You could do anything. You could get investments. There's a lot of stuff that you could do with $1.2 million besides spend it on some BS. So speaking about getting in early. So talking about getting in early, guys, there is an opportunity that I think that is a good opportunity. This is going to be launching off of Binance. I'm going to touch on it just real briefly so we could check it out. So there's a pre-sale going on. All right, guys, and that pre-sale is green Bitcoin. Guys, this looks like a pretty stellar project to catch early, guys. So this one is going to be coming out. So this one is increasing day by day before they get to the launch. So this has 4 days left until they increase the price. So current price is at 0.80 cents. So 80 cents for this one. And so basically this is green Bitcoin rewards, gamified green staking. So you could go in here and look at staking different gaming coins and stuff like that. So I just urge you to go in here. I wanted to touch on it big time, but don't got a lot of time. So just go through here, look through the paper. There's a lot of information. They're tokenomics. So if you go through the tokenomic side of things, the pre-sale is about 50 cents, 20% to, or 50% to the pre-sale. I'm trying to go fast. Staking rewards is at 20%, marketing 12.5%, liquidity 7.5%, and community rewards 10%. So you could go all through here. So you have the pre-sale launch, staking and predictions, go live, token release, and then earn rewards and build community. So go through this. I urge you to check it out. There's a link in the description if you guys want to look into it more. And again, this will be launching on Binance. So 7 new and up and coming Binance listing in 2024. So you have Smog as number 1, and then number 2, you see the green Bitcoin will be launching. It's in the pre-sale stage right now. And then a couple other projects to look at too, or look at. Well, Scorpion Casino, I was looking at that one as well. But again, guys, this is green Bitcoin. If you guys are interested, there's a link in the description to bring you to this. If not, just go to greenbitcoin.com and it'll bring you to this page right here. You can check out their Twitter and the Telegram to get more information. So guys, as we looked at the examples of Jasmy, getting in early is key, guys. If you guys would have got in at 0.004, you could see the difference from getting at 0.004 than getting in at 2 cents today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you stay up to date with Run My Crypto. Hopefully I got this under 10 minutes, but I doubt it. Much love to you guys. Take care. Be blessed, and I'll see you guys on the next one.